Hello guys, I am Oli Forex from Oli Trading Academy, and in this video I'll be teaching you the basic steps to become rich in Forex trading. Often people do ask themselves, can Forex trading change my life? Can Forex trading give me money? Can it help me fulfill my dream? Can it take me out of my financial troubles? These are some of the questions a lot of people do ask themselves before going into Forex trading. The answer is yes. It's a big yes. Now, how do I make money in Forex? Let's say, for instance, you want to go into any form of business. I believe that first of all, you would like to have the knowledge, understand the business, how it works. That is what, as a trader, you must do. You must first of all focus on the knowledge, acquire the experience, and then you can start making money in trading. The volume of the money you are going to make in trading depends on your number one, trading strategy, number two, your capital, number three, your discipline. These are some of the things you are going to combine as a trader to make money out there, especially your capital. A lot of traders with $5 or $10 or $15, they enter the market and they want to just make it big just in a day, and they end up losing all the capital. You must be patient with your capital if you want to do well in trading. You must learn to be consistent in profits. You must learn to build up your capital step by step. Let's say, for instance, you have an account of $10. Okay, you have an account of $10 and you want to grow your account to $10,000. How do you go about it? You must first of all learn to make $2 profit a day. $2, $2. At the end of the week, in 5 days, you will have made about $10, which is 100% of your capital. Getting $20, the following week, you continue with $3 a day. Within 5 days, you will have made $15. This is how, as a trader, you can build up your capital. If you want to make a lot in a day, then you have to make sure you trade with a big capital. And there are means and there are ways that you, as a trader, you can adapt, or there are some things that you can do to have a big capital. Let's say, for instance, by buying a prop firm account or something like that can help you trade with a big capital. Someone trading with $100 and another person trading with $5, both of them can never compare their profit. So do not look at other people's profits. Look at your consistency. Okay, this is what you should do as a trader to make a lot of money. And remember that if you go to do well in trading, you must stay disciplined. You must stay disciplined. Learn to control your emotions. Learn to trade bit by bit. Don't go beyond what you can trade, and by so doing, you're going to make it big time. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I believe I'm going to see you at the top. Bye.